All right, guys, just want to show you guys this little quick video right here, because if you are looking for a Kia engine settlement lawyer, again, I'm not going to click the video because if I do, YouTube's going to do all types of things. That's my family in the background. But I just want to make this quick video real quick. This guy right here, this company right here, you can click the website. They are going to help you get your engine replaced. 100% they're going to help you get your engine replaced. Go here, check it out. This is the place. Again, this is the video, type it in. This video right here is 21 minutes. It's the most comprehensive, official lawyer, legal terms, types of things video that I've ever seen. I watched it. This guy is a mechanic. I mean, not just a mechanic. That's kind of disrespectful. He's a lawyer, but he's like top of the line when it comes to working on vehicles. So in his video, he shows you he has the Theta 2 engine. Again, the settlement only applies to the Theta 2 engine. He physically has a Theta 2 engine in his own shop that he broke down himself to show where the issues are and stuff like that. This guy will help you get your engine replaced. Like I said, I know I've been selling the book and everything, and this video will be in the book, but my goal is to give you guys as much information as possible. So if you are just now seeing this, or even if you have the book, thank you for everybody out there who's purchased the book. I'm almost at 100 books sold. I think I might be over that. I know I'm close. Guys, this video will be in the book. This is the link. I'll put this link also in the file so that you guys can get it as well. Come here and call these people, say, hey, I saw your video on Carl's Garage. I saw your video on Straight Outta Content. And he said to contact you for my engine, and they are going to help you get your engine replaced. They're going to walk you down everything that you need, all the information, all the questions that you may have. This guy right here can answer all of your questions legally, not just generally like myself, because I can't give legal advice. This guy right here can give legal advice. So definitely check it out. It's a great channel. Watch his video, then message him up. All right, guys, the link will be in the description.